Thanks. We have continuing team coverage, and all day we've been getting messages and calls into our newsroom asking about the governor's decision to close beaches, lakes, and boat ramps. A lot of confusion here about the lakes and the rivers. DNR already posting signs making sure no public fishing takes place until the order is lifted. Other lakes in our area like Hartwell, Kiowee, and Saluda aren't completely closed, but you can't access public boat ramps or landings. Fox Carolina's Kayla Conboy live from Lake Saluda tonight. Kayla, I know DNR even had to do some investigating today to figure out all of this order too. So what can you tell us tonight about the governor's executive order involving all of this?
Well, as of today, just this evening, in fact, all state lakes are closed, and more privately owned lakes are starting to take that and take it into consideration. So a lot more, you're going to see these locked gates, making sure that people stay out. Boaters say there's still a lot of gray area about what they can and can't do out on the lakes, but the governor says this is a direct result of what officials saw over the weekend.
It was kind of like a choke point where cars were congregating, people were congregating on the boat ramps.
And even on the water, dozens of people were all crowding together, which is why those who had plans to safely fish are angry.
I understand why he done it in a way, but I just don't agree with how quick he done it. I mean, he gave the state's police department the jurisdiction into, breaking up groups of 3 by, verbal commands or by tickets if need be. But yet he didn't give the DNR the same opportunity. They could have easily took care of this without punishing the innocent people that, follow the rules and do the right thing.
Scotty Prince and his wife were going to go fishing this coming weekend. They had been looking forward to getting outdoors, but now won't be able to use a boat like they had hoped.
I basically just wanted to go out and enjoy the sun, be at a safe distance from people, and just have fun with me and my family, try to take the mind off of everything going on. But I don't know how well that's going to work now.
Many, like Scotty, are frustrated. Even McMaster saying, quote, "This is unfortunate for those who chose to responsibly follow the instructions of our public health officials, but it's a necessary action to prevent the spread of this dangerous virus." And DNR's Greg Lucas says it's led to him receiving more phone calls than any other topic in his career.
Some folks have access to boats that are already on some of our lakes, and I know that I've heard people say that's not really fair. People that own homes on the lake, they have access to it. Unfortunately, that's just the case now.
Now, there's still a lot of unknowns with this, like what exactly the agency is going to be enforcing this. Reporting live, Kayla Conboy, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.